This 2019 Jayco Octane Super Lite 222 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Gassville, Arkansas, 72635 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gassville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, front bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.